So if you've been looking for how to make money online with your mobile phone, you are in the right place. This website, you can actually make money just by playing games, testing surveys. Now, all you have to do is click on sign up if you don't have an account. You can sign up with either your Google account or with Facebook. You can also sign up with your email and set your password. Now, while creating this account, there is something I would want you to know. The first time I registered on this website, I made the mistake of not accepting the use of cookies. So I was actually doing all the tasks, doing the surveys, but I was not getting paid for it. And that's because there was no way the website could actually monitor what I was actually doing, if I was actually fulfilling this task or not. So first of all, you have to click on yes, I am happy. Anytime this option pops up for you to use cookies, just click on yes, I am happy. Then you can go ahead and input your email and password if you do not have any. But me, since I already created a new account for the purpose of this training, all I have to do is actually input my email. Sorry, I have to go back to sign up page. So I have to click on sign in since I already have an account. So I will input my email, then put my password. Then I'll click on sign in. So I have just signed in with the account I just created. So all I have to do is click on yes, I am happy to accept the use of cookies. So the reason why I'm permitting them to use cookies on this website is because so that they can be able to actually know when I've completed some task. Because some of this has requires that I download some games and play on my phone. Like here you can see, if I download this game and play and meet up the requirements of the game, I will earn £253. I can scroll down here, you can see another game I'll play and earn £148. So this one is £120. So you can play virtually any game. You can master the game, enjoy the game while you still earn. So there are a lot of tasks available for me to actually participate in right now and earn. So if I should go back, I can see the total number of cash that I will make if I complete this task. So I can make £1,043 should I complete these 6 offers available. Now for signing up alone and verifying my email, I was given £4. So I can click on this place. I will see that I already have withdrawable £4. But the minimum withdrawal is £16. So all I need to do is just complete one of these tasks. Immediately I complete this task, I'll be able to withdraw money from it. So if you are new here and you're looking for how to make money on this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So you can come here if you want to withdraw your cash. You can scroll down here. You will see the option to withdraw using paper or stake. So if you're in a country that does not really accept the use of paper for withdrawal, you can use stake, or you can also withdraw using gift cards. You can use Amazon gift cards, you can use USA, you can use a Google Play, then you can use Apple card, then you can also use Apple gift cards too. So this way, if you withdraw this in, what they do is that they give you a gift card worth the amount of money you are withdrawing. Then if you have any website that you can redeem your cards, or you have anybody that can help you to redeem these cards, you can do so. So from here you will see this tab here, the tab here at the bottom right corner. You will see more offers, you will see offer words, you will see surveys. If you click on this page, you will see list of surveys if available for you to fill. Then here you will see affiliate. So if for instance you want to refer someone, you can actually refer someone. Now the website is in my description. You check my descriptions to see the website. So kindly register, make money, just play around the whole website, and you will see what you can do. So please, if you are yet to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification button. So to register for this website, all you have to do is to click on the link in my description and you are good to go. It's quite easy. You can actually earn money just by doing these basic tasks. Please, once again, if you like what I'm doing, kindly hit the subscribe button. So see you on the next video. Thank you.